job, Kyle.
Move to the
You
side.
don't even know what to do with it? Never. That's all.
You can write on here.
The first artwork.
Is it working?
Yeah.
Well, there's no paint in there.
Might want to try a darker color and get a see better. Yeah, there is some orange on there.
Yeah.
Right, we got your coloring.
Yeah, let's get the paint out.
Yeah, maybe later.
What do you think, boy?
There, that shows up. Can I? Here, and then you want to erase it?
Oh.
Here, you can wipe it off. You want to wipe it off?
Good shot.
Oh, gee, I hope you can wipe it off. There you go. Now then. Yeah, they are dry.
Washable, dry eraser.
Toby and this and
Toby,
You gave him a box of
he opened the present from you guys just now, and there was
that.
nothing in
Nothing
it.
in there. What is that?
From who?
She's TBRC.
Oh, there it is.
What is that?
It's your present.
How,
It was
Oh, it wouldn't fit?
to wrap that than it was this.
how did you get that? What is it? What is it?
That's so
We
cool.
can put that in our yard, right?
You made that,
Or where does it
Beth?
go on the inside?
I would hang it on the inside.
Okay,
But some
sweet.
people, oh, we forgot a wire on this. Well, I have to use it anyway because it's all done except for this antique.
What is